Hey everybody, this is Jerry back here again at J&B Property Care. Anyway, I'm going to do a driveway repair today, and it's a big one. It's pretty steep. We're probably 20 degrees slope here, I'd say, anyway, but 15 to 20 degrees. Got a house up here, got a nice view from way out here. But anyway, it's pretty rutted out. See, there's an old plastic culvert pipes all trashed there. I'm going to start here and go clear down, not to the very end, but close to the end. There's some pretty deep ruts down through here. Gets washed pretty bad. This will be a pretty tough job. Looks like some pretty big stone in here. And there's ruts. There's ruts probably, I'd say, at least 8 to 10 inches deep. Maybe even more than that in places. See, this is like a big gully right through here. And down in here, it's even worse. But and there's some big rock right here. Like it's in the ground. I'll not be able to do much with that, but I'll have to do the best I can. See a lot of big rock. It's just natural here when they made the road. But you're not gonna dig that up. But I think right here's a super big rut. That's probably 10 to 12 inches deep in places down through here. And I'm going down to probably where the tree line is right there. I'd say I'll be here 3 or 4 hours anyway, working on this. But I'll probably do a lot of my work going up and down the hill, or coming down the hill. I'll probably do a lot of let gravity, use gravity as helped backing up the hill and digging at the same time. A lot harder on me and the tractor, but anyway, hopefully I can get it to look like something decent. It's going to be a big job, but we'll see. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Everybody, it's I've been here probably about almost 5.5 hours. See, that's been another dust bowl. Anyway, I've worked on this hill here and I got it pretty well done, I think. And then now I'm coming down here and doing another part of the driveway that originally wasn't planning on doing. And but the guy owns this driveway, lives here, and then the guy that owns this driveway lives up here. And so dad and his son owns the property. So the son lives all the way up here on top. And I've lost about seven of my teeth on my thing. That's not good. Anyhow, I've worked this, got the ruts dug out, filled in. It's been a big job. I've got it pretty decent. I can't say that I'm perfectly satisfied with it, but I didn't realize I'd lost so many of my carbide teeth out of my roller. It's not good. Anyway, pretty big climb getting up here. You guys remember what it looked like? All this thick gravel you see here was just a big gully. It's really hard, packed. It's a struggle getting it all dug up. Down close to the bottom there where I'm working now, it is got chunks of blacktop mixed in with it. So anyhow, I started right about here. I didn't go all the way to the house. And it's a big job. Anyway, I'll get off here and hopefully I can get it all done by dark. If not, I'll have to come back tomorrow, I guess. But anyway, y'all have a good day, and I'll catch you on the next one.